and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a wig review on this BRI. This is from Janet Collection. This is a part of their melt transparent HD frontal thing that they got going on, y'all. So thank you so much, Janet Collection, for sponsoring this video. The color that I have is a number 1. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how I install my wigs. This is like an everyday installment, nothing serious, no secrets. I'm doing it pretty much step by step, so if you want to follow along, be my guest. You got it. You got it.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
Hey guys, so my final review on this hair, pretty much I like the hair, but I am getting a lot of tangling. This is pretty much wavy hair. Let me show y'all how long it is. So it's coming down. It's pretty long. It's coming all the way down to my butt. I'm really liking that. One thing that I can say, I showed you guys start to finish how I apply my wig. I did pluck a little bit too much, and one hack that you guys can use is your eyeliner or mascara. I simply just took my eyeliner out and I kind of just like feather it over the places that I wanted to get more darkened, because if I over conceal it, or if I put too much powder in it, or if it looks kind of funny, I can just go in with my eyeliner and then like dabble it on there, and then it'll be back to normal. This hair, you guys, the hairline was beautiful, as you guys can see. I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks pretty much on how to apply your synthetic wig. It's really self-explanatory. I mean, everybody really doing their hair this way. There's no secret to it anymore. So see that I did not have to pluck the parting, so you could just add your concealer and go on about your business. I did not have to pluck around my perimeter, but I just wanted to anyway because I wanted it to be a little bit extra. I do not like it. I wouldn't wear the hair like this because I don't know. I think I really just like showing the edges on the hair because it makes it look a little bit more realistic. So I think that's how I'm probably gonna wear it. Tell me what you guys think. I like it like this. Like, I like showing the hairline. Like, this hairline though, I don't know, this hairline is everything, you guys. Like, I love this hairline. That's one thing about this Janet Collection HD. Like, their hairline is popping. I think I'm gonna wear it like this today. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much going to wrap up my video. Like I said, the only comment I have is that the hair is tangling up a little bit, but it is what it is. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys tried this wig, let me know down in the comments below. If you're not following me yet, I don't know what you're doing, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video.